How you doing, guys? Just 3 days till Christmas. I'm in Sanur. I want to show you the Segara village. It's over there. I'm in the Segara and Sindu area of Sanur, and on the other side somewhere there, as you can see, there is the Grand Ina in Sanur. Slowly life is going in Bali. In Kuta yesterday was quite busy. Let's see how it looks live in Sanur. I hope so. You will enjoy it. Anyway, yo, what's up? How you doing? And Siema, dzień dobry. I'm Damian from The Monkeys. There are some local kids enjoying their time on the beach, and also the local people, but not that many. Let's see how it looks, the promenade over there. Here we go. This is the Sanur's fisherman. Just wonder what they're gonna use this one for. Probably for construction of the promenade. However, here is already almost finished, and here already is the area of the restaurants. And look at this mascot over here. This is some Asian cartoon mascot. I forgot the name, but yeah, Christmas tree on one of the restaurants here. There was like a playground for the kids. Yo, what's up? How you doing? Good luck, my friend. Segara seaside. This lobster is always here, very characteristic place. Anyway, promenade looks like this, pretty nice, clean. Pity as they leave the one side, the old one, this one is the new one. Some local warungs heading to Segara village birdhouse, newly refurbished place. They have a beautiful gardens deep inside. Maybe I will have a one-day walk there and show you around. Beachside situation like this, promenade, it's also finished. This is like a restaurant bar or something like that, with the very affordable prices. Maybe one day I will show you. Let me know in the comments section if you'd like to see. Okay, Tutsi situation. Still didn't go inside, but quickly I can show you the inside. This looks like this. New promenade, and outside looks like this. Empty, quiet, peaceful, but the promenade. Yo, what's up? How you doing? And somewhere here supposed to be also the Luhtu Cafe, but now everything has changed because of the new promenade. You get confused. Oh, here we go, Luhtu Cafe. Hello! So the promenade is actually on the land where it used to be a Luhtu, so they lose a few tables, but promenade is actually nice. Maybe it's actually better, more people will even notice this cafe, small cafe shop. Anyway, some local life, some surfers arrive, probably from different, maybe from Canggu or something. And parking situation pretty alright, pretty busy. And here the path is still under construction. Some divers around left the bottles with oxygen. Interesting how it's gonna look when they finish the construction. Still in progress. There is the big truck trying to reverse here between the motorbikes. Little turtle conservation, local warungs. This part of the Sanur is definitely much more local than others by the beach. So actually this is the conservation, turtle conservation. Not sure if I can get inside, it's ready or not, but yeah, for donation. Let's see. There are some turtles here. Here we go, turtles. Only 3. How you doing, my friend? All good? All good? Oh, beautiful turtle. This is area of Sindu Hotel, and seems like also changed. They built like a new warungs. Looks pretty nice, modern, clean. And they also, you can buy the seafood here. Well, that's so many changes. Actually, this one is for better, definitely. Looks pretty cool. Everybody have their own shop. And it's clean, that's very important. And this is the Sindu Hotel for everyone who are mixing the vibes here. The traffic is a little bit more advanced, that's for sure. Many tourists also. Also the sellers are a little bit more desperate. They're starting to offer me all the time everything. So yeah, we can have a beautiful massage here with this lady just behind. Yeah, it's definitely much more attention here. Anyway, somebody asked me to show you this restaurant. So on the beach. It's refurbished right now. People inside, nothing has changed. Outside, basically outside nothing has changed except that as they have a promenade just 2 meters from the main restaurant. After that is the same, but it's no roof. Roof is missing, I don't know what's happened. Anyway, the promenade here is going like this. There is some other cafe. People are happy and friendly as always. There is some new cafe. And here is little bit shopping stroll. Everybody trying to sell you something nowadays. This is definitely a improvement. Well, it's Christmas time, holiday time, so more people coming to Bali than the foreigners from Jakarta, also much more. But still Sanur is definitely more quiet than Kuta, that's for sure. Look at this doggo. Also, somebody asked me about the promenade, if it's slippery or not. No, it's definitely not slippery. The tires in Kuta, the yellow one, they are super slippery, but this one, definitely not slippery. Definitely not. Some people practice yoga, so have to be quiet. Promenade working well for the bicycles, and this is what left after the Art Hotel Beach Club. Yeah, this place have a big potential, but probably not in Sanur anymore. And that's good path for the driving bicycle for sure. Now the construction of the promenade is in progress next to Tanjung Sari Hotel, a legendary place, one of the oldest hotel in Sanur, the Boutique Hotels family owned. Used to vlog here many times already, guys, but always reminding me to show this hotel, so here we go. Let's focus a little bit how's the people working hard. It's taking them very long time, but they're doing this everything manually. Well, this is how it is, right? Meanwhile, a little bit of the shot of the hotel and the promenade, how it's gonna look around. Interesting fact is the local Warungs what had a business here. They use the promenade now to renting the bicycles here, so actually you can still not use it. So I hope so it's not gonna look like this. Hello. Hello. But well, this is Bali. Let's see. Maybe because it's closed right now, right? Maybe like that. And this is Besaki Hotel here. And also Gria Santrian Hotel is open finally, eventually after, well, many months. But seems like, well, maybe they just opened. Nobody is around. Promenade here is almost finished. One thing about the Bali is that as life in Bali is going super slow. It's not like a life in the big city like in Jakarta or Bangkok, or I don't know, do not even mention about the New York City or something. Everything here is going slow. That's why the construction of the promenade is also going slow, like everything elsewhere, like opening the borders or lifting down the quarantine to 0. It's going slow because that's the environment of Bali, I could say. And well, Bali is a very specific place, as many of you know. Is one of the places in the world what have a different culture and religion, obviously because of Balinese people, but also each area of Bali is different. Like Sanur is different, Nusa Dua is different, Kuta, Legian, Seminyak, Canggu, Candidasa, Amed, Pemuteran, Gilimanuk, West Park, Lovina, wherever you're gonna go, Ubud, Kintamani, what else? Bedugul, Munduk, and so on, Jembrana. Wherever you're gonna go, it's gonna be totally different than elsewhere. And the same with the public point of view. Some people like Kuta more, some people like Sanur, some people maybe prefer Candidasa, and obviously many people like Canggu. That's pretty normal thing, and it's extremely hard to make everyone's happy because everybody likes something different, and this place have to offer you everything different. It's not like, let's say, Phuket Island in Thailand, when basically all island looks pretty the same and similar vibe. This is small island in Indonesia, and everything is very various. You can have so many choices. Everyone will find something for yourself. And there is also a lot of people who just simply don't like Bali because of bad experience and many other factors. Well, I don't know, actually, I'm just thinking about that. Slow day today, also trying to speak slower. Some people said that they don't like my voice. I don't give a, that. By the way, there is some big construction over there. I don't know actually what's going on. There will be probably some hotel, or this is the construction of the new mall or 7 icons of Bali. There is like a big project of the villas. Well, anyway, I hope so you enjoyed. If you're watching till now, well, you can comment below what do you think about everything, and as always, I will see you tomorrow. See ya, take care guys.